Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Cash App to Plaid. The first step is to open up Cash App on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, which will take you to your account settings. From there, scroll down and tap on Linked Banks. On this screen, tap on Link Debit Card. Normally, it will ask you to enter your debit card details, but instead of doing that, you'll want to select the No Card option. Once you tap on that, hit Continue at the bottom of the screen, and you'll see a list of banks to choose from. For example, if you use Chase, tap on Chase from the list. Once selected, you'll be prompted to log in with your online banking credentials. After you log in successfully, you'll see a screen confirming your account details, and you'll need to tap Continue again to complete the process. No matter which bank you use, the steps will be similar. You can either scroll through the list of institutions or use the search bar to find your bank. Once linked, your account will be connected to Cash App through Plaid, allowing you to make transfers and manage your money more efficiently. Plaid is simply the bridge that makes this connection possible. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.